Above all, user training about security awareness is extremely important. Nothing supplements that. And you need to have a good user training, security training ones. And you should have a sensible, more important, you should have a sensible training practice. Don't scare the users, promote safety. Instead, promote safety, promote good behavior, and teach them how to do do some mock click tests instead of punishing somebody, saying like if they accidentally click something during your test. Typical tendency is to point to them saying like you're not following security. Instead, basically, provide some like incentives for carefully looking those emails. Those actually work better. Restrict access to vulnerable users, CFOs, CTOs, and the senior any CXOs. Those are the most visible and the riskiest users. Explain them why you are actually restricting the access to them. Those are the ones who should be on the board on this practice, on the forefront of this. So restrict access to senior officials and provide only on-demand access to them wherever to risky assets.
For more information, click on the link below or visit databrackets.com.